Blender. What is Blender? Blender is an open source 3D animation software where you can do modeling, rigging, design, and anything you might desire in the software. So, in today's video, I'm going to do a 20-minute challenge in animating a normal head.
And the reversal, and to create imaginary mass, imaginary technique, hollow, purple.
So, what we're going to do is cover the basics. So, we're going to go from animating a head turn. That's a normal thing. So, usually when you want to test a rig, you could either do a walk cycle, running cycle, or head turn. My favorite one is doing the head turn. And I'm gonna try animate that in 20 minutes. So let's begin. So to begin, I started off with getting reference. So I went online, I went on YouTube, and I watched basically YouTubers or either making an animation of a head turn or their own style of head turns. I just came up with the idea. So basically what my plan for this animation is the person will be turned around. The person will be alerted by something, and then they will turn around to look at something else. So that's basically the foundation of this animation. So getting the timer right. So if I had to get the timer right, I have to do it myself. So I will use my own self as a reference. So I will turn from the point A to point B. So basically recording myself doing that. And when I record myself doing that, it took less than 2 seconds to do the full action. So what I did is I translated that into frames, so I will animate this within 30 frames. And then I would just put down the poses. So I put down the poses, each pose is the first pose will be the beginning pose where they will look in that direction. Then they'll go to the next pose where they kind of alerted a little bit. The next pose they will just drop their shoulders a little bit, being a little disappointed, and then turn around and then look at something else. That's the full animation. And now lastly is the cleanup and overlap in action. So basically what you will do is find the parts of the body that will overlap so with the movement. So let's say the hands, the head, the hand and the head, the neck will overlap. So what you would do is take the keyframes and then move it to 2 frames ahead so that it overlaps with the action. So yeah, that's what I did. And then 20 minutes came and I stopped animating. I see the finished process of the animation. And so far, it was good. I didn't get time to use the graph editor to clean it up, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine for what it is. And yeah.